Okay, this is chapter 3. It's a short chapter, but it looks like it's going to be exciting. Ariel to the rescue. Lucky Star wobbled and took a giant step. "Lean on this side," said Carlotta. The basket creaked and tilted towards shore. Lucky Star was almost there when splash! The basket plunked into the water, but it didn't sink. The balloon kept it afloat. "We lost the race," cried Ariel, "and it is all my fault. I am extra weight." Ariel knew what she had to do. She held her nose and jumped into the lake. The water was only up to her waist. "Good gracious," said her mother, "that was brave, but it will not help. Even without you, the basket is too wet and heavy to go up again." Just then, Flying Cloud began to come down. "Our last chance," cried Carlotta. She threw the guide rope to Ariel. Pull us to shore." "Hurry!" Ariel grabbed the rope and waded onto the beach. Lucky Star was easy to pull, with the balloon holding it up. "Splendid!" cried Carlotta. She jumped out and dragged the basket to higher ground. A minute later, Flying Cloud landed. We won!" shouted Ariel and Carlotta. They were laughing and hugging and crying all at the same time. Bernard the Brave anchored his balloon to a tree. Then he came over and shook Carlotta's hand. "Congratulations," he said. "I see that Lucky Star has a crew." He wrapped Ariel in a blanket. "Thank you, sir," said Ariel. Bernard smiled. "Why, it is my pleasure." Carlotta sent Harry home with a victory message to the balloon farm. Soon the crowd arrived. Mr. Myers rode up in the buggy. Carlotta told him how Ariel had helped win the race. "Ariel," he said, "I'm proud of you." The mayor gave Ariel the gold medal. Carlotta hugged Ariel. "I'm proud of you too," she said. "Perhaps you are old enough to fly." Ariel smiled happily. She was sure of it. Oh, what an awesome story. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to go get your copy of this book, and you want to get your questions that I'm going to post with this, and I want you to be able to go back in the book and find these answers and really think about them. Okay? Make sure you know all the words. Okay, have fun.